Hi, I'm Carlos Lucero here within the news at CHS, and I'm here with the guest speaker, Rob Holliday. And so, Rob, what does this mean to you?
What it means to me is my inspiration for talking about vaping is my father-in-law died from smoking. My father has COPD from smoking, and vaping is very close to the kind of health problems we get from smoking. Not the same, but very close. So my passion is to help teens know the truth.
And do you think by going to these schools that the teens are going to have better knowledge and the effects that vaping has on their bodies?
I definitely think so. I think there's so much misinformation out there, YouTube videos and everything, people trying to prove that vaping is okay. But when I go to schools, teens give me feedback like, I didn't know that, I didn't understand that. Some teens have been handing their jewels over to the counselors and laying this stuff down. So I'm getting some good feedback.
All right. Thank you very much. The assembly was amazing. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Well, just the 4 T's. Take time to think about your life and make a good choice for your life.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now I'm here with Brandon Echegaray, a student at Kalinga High School who attended the No Vaping Assembly. So, Brandon, what did you take away from this assembly?
I learned that there are many reasons why you shouldn't vape, and there are many bad things that can happen if you do take that path in life.
And what are some of those things that can affect your body if you vape?
Your lungs can get messed up, and you die.
So, Brandon, what was your favorite part about the assembly?
One of my favorite parts of the assembly when he talked about, he didn't just bring up one reason how it can mess you up. He brought multiple reasons, so I can't really pinpoint it on one thing, but just the explanation of why, because there's not a lot of explanations why you shouldn't do it, just a lot of defending it. So it was good to see someone not defending it for once.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm now here with Wyatt Timms, who is a student who also attended the vaping assembly. So, Wyatt, what did you take away from this assembly?
I took away that, even though some people think vaping's safe, it really isn't. It can do really harmful damage to your bodies and have very harmful effects down the line.
And do you think that other students might have a different mindset after attending this assembly?
I really do. The speaker was really influential in how he put forth his message, and I really think it opened some students' minds.
All right, thank you. There. We good. Hold up. What is that?